Hello students, today we are going to start class 5th subject Moral Science chapter 1 Dream 1 India. The civil service of India runs the entire administrations of the country. The elected minister of India make the policies. They are carried out by officers called civil servant. So here we will learn the civil service of India and who runs it, administrations of the country, and elected the minister India make the policies, and they are carried out by officers called civil servant, or officer's name is civil servant. In the eyes of common man, district collector of his area is the government. The civil servant are selected through the civil service examination is CSE. It is the toughest nationwide competitive examination in India. So for in our India, which is the toughest competitive exam is civil service examination. Okay, now we will learn about the history. The civil service in India dates back to the ancient times from the Aryans administrative system of the Indus Valley to the Kotlian Antra Shastra from the Gupta age to the Mughals, and from the British till the present. The bureaucratic system was founded by Chandragupta and Ashoka. A unique feature was that instead of salary in cash, they paid in kind. This is in the form of land. Only soldiers were paid cash salaries. The Mughals brought the Mansabdari system. They ranked the government officials. The British called the civil service. The idea opened competition for recruiting officers was proposed by the Macaulay Committee in 1853. Now, evolution of the civil service in India before independence is the term civil servant come to be used in 1765. Lord Cornwallis is known as the father of civil service in India. Satyendranath Tagore was the first Indian ICS officer. The Indian civil services was dominated by the Indians from the third decade of 20th century till the independence. Now, revolution of civil service in India after independence. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was regarded as the father of Indian civil service. He brought the system of the all Indian service in independent India. In 1976, three-stage examination for civil services appointments was created. The third stage process was first objective type of preliminary examination having one optional and general studies. Second main examination has 9 written papers, and the third is personality test. Why should you look at the civil services as a career? The civil services are one of the most wanted career option in India. Civil servant run most of the day-to-day service projects and programs, help in policy and rule formulas, and carry them out in the country. As a civil servant, you can contribute to the development of the society and the nation. When working in a backward regions, even a small contributions will make a great change in the lives of thousands of people. Civil servants are directly in contact with the people of the nation. Civil servants perform a variety of work like area development, disaster management, maintenance of law and order, a representation the nation in a international level. So category of civil service is IAS, IFS, IPS. So all the Indian civil service is Indian Administrative Service, Indian Forest Service, Indian Police Service. Okay, so Indian Administration Service is IAS. So Central Civil Service is CCS. The Central Civil Service is directly concerned with the administrations of the government of India. The officers are appointed by the President of India himself. The State Civil Service. The State Civil Service deal with state related issues including education, land revenue, forests, agriculture, etc. Now, the Indian Forest Service. The IFS officers protect the environment and the ecological balance through the strict implementation of national forest policy. They work to conserve, protect, and develop forest and wildlife. They also look toward developing the livelihood of forest dependent communities in rural and tribal areas. Now, Indian Police Service IPS officer look after public safety and security, which includes preventions of crime, its detection, accident preventions, traffic control and management, etc. The police service has certain subdivisions: crime branch, traffic, home guards, and criminal investigation department CID. Civil Service Day. The 21st April of observed as a Civil Service Day. On this day, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel addressed the first branch of civil servant of Indians independence India at the Metcalfe House, where he referred to the civil servant as the steel frame of India. Okay, so children, here we have completed chapter number 1. So you have to read this chapter at your home twice. So here they have given you the flow chart, so you have to complete, and this is your homework. Complete this flow chart based on information from the text. Indian Civil Service, name of the service, details. Okay, and why would you choose civil service as the career also is your homework. Thank you.